Imagine effortlessly crafting viral LinkedIn posts that captivate your audience and grow your network all within minutes. Welcome to Scrybe AI. No more struggling to come up with ideas, worrying about engagement, or spending hours drafting content. Scrybe lets you focus on your strategy while the AI handles the heavy lifting of your content creation. So Scrybe AI is an AI-powered platform designed to supercharge your LinkedIn presence. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or business professional, Scrybe helps you generate engaging content, discover trending topics, and optimize your post for maximum reach. With its smart AI engine, you can consistently produce high-quality posts that reflect your unique voice and brand, keeping your audience engaged and growing every day. But before we dive into the core features, let's see what users are saying about it. So trusted by top creators and businesses with millions of followers, Scrybe has become a go-to tool for enhancing LinkedIn engagement. Users praise its intuitive interface and the quality of content it helped produce. So now let's dive into the core features of it one by one. Let's start with create new posts. So feature 1 is all about creating a new LinkedIn post effortlessly. When you start, Scrybe AI asks, "Hi, what would you like to create today?" From there, you can generate a post by simply describing your idea or providing instructions for the AI. You can customize your post using options like deep search, personalization, formatting, and even specifying the post length. This ensures each post matches your style and communicates exactly what you want. And if you're feeling blocked or need inspiration, you can start a voice-powered session called a jam session. Speak your ideas and Scrybe will generate 3 ready-to-post options in minutes. It's like having a creative partner available anytime to help you overcome writer's block. So that wraps up feature 1. Now let's move on to feature number 2, that is finding viral ideas. So feature 2 is Scrybe AI's Inspiration Wall, your go-to tool for discovering trending posts and viral content ideas. Browse top-performing posts and the latest news to spark creativity or search for specific trends, keywords, or topics relevant to your audience. The platform also lets you personalize your wall, following the profiles of top creators like Justin, Gary, Mel, and saving posts directly to your personalized feed. You can study their content, analyze what's resonating with audiences, and adapt these ideas into your own post. Each post on the Inspiration Wall shows engagement metrics like shares and comments, helping you identify what's truly viral. You can even turn trending news into LinkedIn posts with just a click, ensuring your content stays relevant and timely. So that wraps up feature 2. Now let's dive into feature number 3. So feature 3 is Jam Session, a voice-powered brainstorming tool that turns your spoken ideas into ready-to-post content. Simply tell Scrybe what you want to talk about. For example, you can say AI. So let me just type in AI and click on Start Session, and it will set up a session tailored to that topic. So once you start, Scrybe prepares your jamming session in real time. It sets up the recording environment, researches the topic background, and ensures everything is ready for your voice-powered brainstorming. You'll see the steps progressing from setting up real-time channels to starting the session, so you know exactly what's happening. During the jam session, you can speak naturally, and Scrybe captures your ideas, turning them into structured, engaging posts. Suggestions, it's perfect for overcoming writer's block and generating fresh, high-quality content quickly. So that wraps up feature 3. Now let's discuss who benefits the most using this tool. So Scrybe AI is designed for professionals across various fields. Sales teams can generate compelling posts to engage prospects. Marketers can share insights and updates to build brand authority. Entrepreneurs and creators can consistently produce content that attracts and retains followers. While Scrybe AI offers a robust suite of features, there's always room for growth. Feature updates could include advanced analytics to track post performance over time and integrations with other social platforms to streamline content management. Scrybe AI currently does not provide any affiliate program or public API. While this means you can't earn commissions through referrals or integrate the platform with other apps programmatically, the core features still offer powerful AI-driven content creation, viral idea discovery, and voice-powered jam sessions for the LinkedIn growth. So overall, Scrybe AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their LinkedIn presence. Its AI-driven features simplify content creation, making it easier to engage with your audience and grow your network. So if you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description so you can give it a check. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.